today I'm going to walk you through step by step in this really quick video on how to synchronize audio. All right, so first off, we have a clip here in our project panel here that's in our source panel that it's likely probably not synced up with any sort of audio, and it's recorded with on-camera microphones, and which doesn't sound that great. Let's go ahead and play it down and see what it sounds like. So obviously we can hear that the sound doesn't sound that good, but we can hear what they're saying in this clip here. But what we want to do, we want to take some of that audio and kind of bring that out. So what we did was we recorded that audio separately, and we're going to go over into our project panel here, and we're going to go to our sound folder. Our sound folder has this audio wave file right here where we receive all of these waveforms in this clip here in this source panel. So we're going to go ahead and play that same part of that clip, but with the audio recorded because we recorded it at the same time. Let's go ahead and do that.
I'm Nico Fades. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Southside Jamaica, Queens. I've been working at the Fade Game Barbershop for about 6 years now.
So we get the idea, all right? So now the sound sounds a lot better. It's more crisper, it's more robust, so we want to use that. But how do we sync that up together, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go back up into our ACAM folder. We're going to drag and drop one of these multiple clips down here into our timeline, which is going to occupy video track 1 and audio tracks 1 and 2. Audio tracks 1 and 2 will be our reference. That's what Premiere Pro is going to be using as the reference point to sync the audio to the other audio track that we're going to be dragging and dropping from our sound folder over here, and we're going to drag and drop that over here into audio track 3. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to select this entire selection that's in front of us on this timeline. All right, so let's go ahead and play this and see if it's all synced up. Just for giggles, let's just see if it works.
Try it one more time. I'm Nico Fades. I'm 26 years old.
And obviously it's not synced up. So what we want to do, we want to go ahead and hit Command A on if you have a Mac, or you can drag the mouse over the entire selection here. And after we do that, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and right click into this selection here and move up to synchronize. All right. So after we click on synchronize, it takes us to synchronize clips. Now, synchronize clips is going to give us a couple of options here. Some of these options include clip start, clip end, time code, and audio. But because we're working with DSLR cameras and recording externally, we want to use track channels either 1 or track channel 2. So after we click on, we're going to use the default for track channel 1. We're going to click on OK. And what's going to happen is Premiere Pro is going to analyze all of these tracks that are inside the timeline that are highlighted and sync everything up so that it matches, so that the sound matches with the video. And that's exactly what we want. So we're going to go ahead and play this down to see if it matches up and then see if we're good to go and continue with our editing process.
Try it one more time. I'm Nico Fades. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Southside Jamaica, Queens. I've been working at the Fade Game Barbershop for about 6 years now. And my favorite haircut is obviously the fade.
And so obviously we're happy with this. So now we're going to go ahead and hit save, and our tracks are synced up. Our video is synced up with our audio, and we are good to go. Now, if you have any sort of questions or any comments, please let me know. Don't be afraid to hit me up. I will be here. All right. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.